Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Once again, I would like to talk to the people of Pakistan. I know this time is actually the most blessed time in the history of Pakistan. Why? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has enabled you as the common men and women of Pakistan, my brothers and sisters in Pakistan, to understand what is right, what is wrong. What is rule of law, what is not. This Sirat-e-Mustaqim that you understand today, do not give up on that. Do not give away your right to reflect, to follow, to exhibit, to present your deen in Islam. Islamic Republic of Pakistan was founded to implement and establish the deen of Allah based on the Sharia of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Islamic Republic of Pakistan should exhibit, to present and to practice, the basic fundamental rights of Islam. The basic right of every Muslim, every human being, every believer in any Muslim country is to access the justice. Access the system of justice fairly, transparently. And this is not happening in Pakistan. The rule of law is not same for everybody. So it should be your responsibility, it must be your responsibility to actually stand up for that. And you should stand up, speak up, and gather the people, rally the people. And I'm especially talking to the youth of Pakistan. People in universities, people in colleges, they should stand up and speak about this, because you are the intellectual of today and the professional intellectuals of tomorrow. We could be the real politicians running the country in the name of Islam. If you stood up today, you will get better positions. We have tons of students who are very highly talented, very skilled. They're not giving the opportunities, or they feel disgusted because they think politics is a dirty game. I understand politics is a dirty game because it's made dirty in front of your very eyes by the people who with dirty minds and brains, right? People want you to feel disgusted with politics. If you need some support, if you need some education, if you need some activism knowledge, if you need some sort of support, any kind of training, let me know. I want to teach you the activism, and I work with a group of other instructors who actually teach you the pure core Islamic Aqidah that's based on justice, on Allah's submission, based on Allah's complete obedience, just like the Prophet Muhammad taught us. If you would like to get more information, if you would like to get more training, if you would like to develop your skills outside of your conventional knowledge that you're gaining from universities and colleges, do talk to me. But you have to stand up. You come to me, I'll help you develop that activist knowledge. If you don't want to come to me, go to somewhere else. Go gain knowledge of how to become a very principled, intellectually strong, and fundamentally strong politicians of tomorrow. If not today, tomorrow. And you can change the landscape of Pakistan.